How you guys doing? It's Zach from the Banyan Pilot Shop. Behind me I have a 2018 Honda Jet, and today we're going to be going over one of the most asked questions in the pilot shop, and that is how do you record video and audio while you're flying, or if you want to make flying vlogs or whatever it is. And it's not very hard. I'm going to show you how to do everything today. I'm going to be showing you how to do it on a GoPro Hero 8. This works for most other GoPro models that have the USB-C plug, and I'll show you what that is in a second. You're going to need two cables. First, you're going to need this one here called the audio recording adapter, and this other part made by GoPro. This is called the Pro 3.5mm adapter. Basically what this is, you can plug in to USB-C and you can plug in the 3.5mm from the audio recorder to record the audio. So you get the GoPro, you open up the side where you can see the USB-C, you get the GoPro adapter, plug that in there, and then on your audio recording adapter, you take the 3.5mm end and you can go ahead and plug that into the GoPro adapter. So you should have something that looks just like this. And then this other end is very simple. This end is going to go into the airplane, and then this end goes into your headset. The other plug from your headset goes into the airplane. It might sound a little bit confusing, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it. In addition to that, it would be good to also get a nice suction mount. That way you can mount the GoPro pretty much anywhere you want in the cockpit. You know, you could get the perfect viewing angle you want. So I would recommend getting a mount with that. Let's go inside the airplane and I'll show you how everything works. Alright guys, so we're here in the Honda Jet, got the GPU plugged in, everything, got the avionics turned on. Here's the GoPro. I'm going to actually show you in detail how to hook it up. So like we did before, we come down here, open up this little door on the side, take the GoPro made Pro 3.5 adapter, plug it in. Now we're going to grab our audio recording adapter. The two ends that look like this, we're going to hold those off for a second. We're going to come to the other end that has the 3.5. That is going to plug right here into the GoPro adapter. Now we're going to take these and we're going to plug those into the airplane itself. Before we do that, we're going to grab our headset. We're using a Bose headset right over here. You have the two dual plugs. You just take whichever one that fits into here. You just take that, plug that in well, and then now these two are going to go into the airplane itself. So in the Honda Jet, it's back here in the corner. It might be a little bit hard to see. There's a fire extinguisher in the way, but we're going to do our best to try and get it able to see. So we come back here and we plug the first one, and then we plug the second one. So as you guys can see, you should be able to hear me right now. And this is just a little audio test. That way you guys can hear what's going on and you can see how the camera is filming. Alright, so we have everything connected up and this is how it sounds. Everything's working great. It's very simple to install. Nothing hard. Just all you need is just the required plugs. If you guys have any questions about it, we can answer all your questions at the pilot shop. Either you come in or you give us a call over there. Thank you guys.